Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arif. In this video, we are going to see the structure or sarf of the Arabic words, and under that, we are going to see first the jazr or the root of some Arabic words, and then we are going to see how those Arabic words change their forms according to different scales or wazn. So let's start our first slide. So this is our slide. On this right hand side column I have defined the different version or scales of some Arabic words, and towards the left and three columns I have defined three root words and their scales. So for example, this first word haq. So haq is something which is like due, or which is the right, or which is the like real right or reality. And then we have Rab. Rab is somebody who is going to raise or is a curator who is going to cure. And then we have from Haq this Haqqaq, and these two letter words usually they have a verb with the second letter. We repeat it here as a third letter, and then they become verb. So Haqqaq is to find reality or to find which is due or what is right. And then we have this Jal, and Jal is a fail, and Jal is actually dignity or honor. And then from Haqqaq on this scale foul we have Haquq, and Haquq would be like the dues of somebody, or the due rights of somebody, or the like whatever somebody deserves. So the real rights or the due rights or only rights. And then we have file, form, and file is actually an object noun, and this is going to make Rab into Rabib. So Rabib is actually a stepson. So stepson, I mean, they usually say because I mean this object noun is like once you are doing something on somebody. So Rabib is like since he is receiving cure from curator, or he or some master is raising some kid, so in that sense it is used. So since a stepfather would raise his kid, step kid or stepson, so that stepson would become Rabib because he is getting cured or he is getting raised up. And then we have file form again, and this file is going to make this Jal into Jalil, which is an adjective. So Jalil is like who is getting honored, who is receiving honor or dignity. And then we have from file the field form, and the field form is going to make Haq into Tahqiq. And Tahqiq is again once you are going to find the reality, or you are going to find what is due or due rights of somebody. So that is where we are going to use Tahqiq. And then we have from file, phyla form as well. That is a noun again, and that is going to make haq into hakikat. And hakika is again some reality, truth, or the right thing or the due rights. And then we have this fall form, and fall form is amplifying noun, and this is going to make jal into jalal. So jalal is dignity or honor, and amplifying noun is like extreme sort of dignity or honor. And then we have from fall a fall form, and this is going to make jalal into ijlal, and ijlal is again a noun, and ijlal is also dignity and honor. And then we have this afal, and afal is going to make rab into arbab. And remember, once there is something behind this alif, below this alif, that is going to make it as a noun singular thing, and once we have something above this alif, that is going to make it a plural form. So this arbab would have something above this alif, so that is going to make rab into arbab, and arbab is lords, multiple, like you can say multiple curators, or you can say multiple masters, or the multiple people who are going to cure people, the curators or raisers, the ones who are going to raise people. And then we have this Folon form scale, and this is going to make Rab into Rabban, and Rabban is the chief curator or master curator or master only, which is going to raise people or cure people. So in that sense we are going to use Rabban. And then we have Astafal form from Fal, and that is going to make Haq into Istihqaq, and Istihqaq is due rights of somebody. And then we have this file form, and that is going to make Haq into Haqqaiq, and Haqqaiq are again realities or the due rights or the merits. And then we have Mufil noun, and then that is going to make Haq into Muhakkik, and Muhakkik is somebody who is going to find the merits or due rights or the realities, like an investigator, you can say. And then we have from Rab Marab, and Marab is somebody who is going to cure people or raise. And then we have Mufil form again, and this is going to make Jal into Mujallal. Mujallal is an adjective, and that is again like dignified, honored. This means dignified or honored. And then we have Afal form, and Afal scale is going to make Haq into Ahikik, and Ahikik is finding the realities. And then we have Fela form. Fela form is going to make Rab into Rabba, and Rabba is used once you are going to use it for the female curators or female person who is going to raise people, or female chief curator, you can also say. So in those sense it is going to get used. because this always means cure or raise people. And then we have tafil form, and tafil is going to make up into tahqiq, and tahqiq is to find reality, to find due rights. And then we have mustafil, and mustafil is a noun, and mustafil is going to make haq into mustahiq, and mustahiq is somebody who is deserving, who has something due on society or people, so he is deserving, he deserves some rights. And then we have istafil form. Istafil is verb, and it is going to make haq into astahiq, and astahiq is again like demanding due rights or getting the reality. So in those sense we are going to use it. So now let's get a summary of these things, and these are actually the root words 3, and from these we are going to get all these wazn. And remember, this is Rab. Rab is going to be somebody who is going to raise people. This is the plural form of this. This is haq. Haq is like which is due or which is right. And then this is sahooq, its plural form. And then we have jal. Jal is dignity or honor. So this is pretty much it. Thank you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Have fun.